hiding rows and columns. So suppose you want to hide a column or row. So here we have selected this column H and want to hide the column. So you just right click on the mouse and then you see here the hide one, and after hiding, the hided column here, the line will be something like a bolded line or a border. You can see this line. So if you want to unhide this one, just go here and double click here, and then it will be unhided this column. So for this row, the same way, just click right, and then you can see here this hide option, and after that double clicking here, it will be unhide it again. So this way you can hide and unhide. So suppose while working you are hiding, and you can hide or unhide the rows and column, but in the print preview I will show how to see the print preview. So in print preview, the hide it column and rows is not hidden, and in print option this column is not hidden, so it will be print the way you have written. So that's all for this lecture.